Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Today, i-discuss natin kung paano mag-transfer ng name or change of occupier or ownership. The following are the basic requirements. So first is transfer certificate of title or latest deed of sale, original and photocopy just in case hanapin din ni Maynilad. Then certificate from NHA or National Housing Authority or Urban Affairs Office or barangay certificate, original copy. This is for blighted area or yung mga rights property lang. I mean property with rights. Two valid IDs, photocopy with 3 signatures, TIN of the applicant, latest statement of account, special power of attorney, if will be processed to representative with valid ID also of the representative, and accomplish application form. So first is TCT or deed of sale. So transfer certificate of title mula sa LRA or Land Registration Authority, deed of sale or deed of absolute sale, notarized from the current owner to you. So dapat matitrace yung owner papunta sa'yo. Then next is NHA or barangay certification. NHA certification, National Housing Authority certification if the property you have are granted by the government. Barangay certification if this property is with rights only. Next is 2 valid IDs, photocopy with 3 specimen signatures. I advise you to have it with you before ka pa pumunta sa Maynilad office. Kasi sa case ko, yung Maynilad office ay near residential. So, walang photocopy services na available sa malapit doon sa office ng Maynilad. By the way, itong Maynilad office na to na tinutukoy ko is nakakasakop sa amin ay sa Quezon City banda. So, next is TIN of the applicant. So, ito yung issued by the BIR. I believe ngayon meron na tayong digital TIN ID na I believe i-accept din naman ni Maynilad kasi recently lang ito naging available. I think 2024 lang din. Next is latest statement of account. As much as possible, bring at least bring the last 2 to 3 months just in case maghanap pa ng iba si Maynilad. I-ensure lang naman ni Maynilad na wala kayong past due balances kasi once transferred, magbabago na rin yung account number along with the account name. Next is special power of attorney if with representative, valid ID rin ng representative, SPA. If you cannot really personally go to the Maynilad's office, lalo na sa mga OFW kasi nga hindi nila i-entertain yung request nyo if authorization letter lang kasi ayun, considered major transaction ito with sa Maynilad account. Accomplish application form. So accomplish application form, in my case when I got the form is through online kasi akala ko pwedeng mag-transfer ng account through online kasi kaya ayun, napapunta pa talaga ako sa Maynilad office. Pero nung pumunta ako sa Maynilad office is complete na yung requirements ko. So ang tingin ko naman ay magbibigay rin naman sila ng form kung wala pa kayong form once na nandun na kayo sa Maynilad office. And then, so I think ito na lahat yung requirements. Ang wala namang extra na babayaran kasi sa akin. Sinabihan lang ako na i-expect ko na next billing cycle ay iba na yung account number and account name. So hopefully this is helpful and yeah, Thank you, and thanks for watching. Just to note, information provided in this video is purely